Hello guys, welcome to a new video. And we are finally, you guys loved part 2 of BNG's car update. So now we're doing part 3 and we left off I think on this one. I don't know what we left off, but I think we left off at the police one, right? I don't know, but we're doing this one now. But I think we left off at the police one, so this is the next one. So if you're not familiar about this, this is part 3 now of me doing this. And I know, I haven't been making lots of videos. It's because, like now I'm not gonna really be making a lot. But this weekend I should be making a little. I'm really busy now. Because I just went to summer school and then I ended it and then, yeah. And then my birthday's also coming up. So it's just kind of a lot. So, I mean, I still try. It's just, I'm not really in the mood at the end of days now, of making videos. And I just woke up like an hour ago, so. Not even an hour ago, like 35 minutes ago. So I just woke up pretty much. But yeah, this thing is pretty good. Let's test suspension. Hold it up like a champ. I mean, what the heck? Alright. That's good. Let's stop. Oh, geez. Stopping. Very actually good. That's impressive. How good that stopping is. Like, dang. That's insane. Wow. Buy this car. I mean, you might, well, probably not in real life because we have other cars, but, well, in BNG, get this car because if you're in a brake contest, you'll probably win. This thing is freaking insane. I mean, what the heck? And yes, you're probably asking, where did my speed kilometer go? One day I was playing BNG Drive, and then I kind of screwed up the game, and I spawned in AI, of course, and then I kind of screwed up the game, and then when I went back in the game, my speed kilometer thing was gone, and then I just replaced it with the thing that's in the corner. So I still know how fast I'm going. It's just I don't know what happened to it. It's not my fault. I don't think it's my fault. I don't know. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed of that. If I could delete BNG, and no, I'm not. I'm not gonna wait an entire day for it to load. Anyways, this car is pretty good. Let's see the suspension, which we already tested that, but let's see the. Yeah, let's test that. Let's test the zooming out. You know what? Next car. Let's go. Yeah. Oh my god. Hey, yo. This is good. You can, like, camp under this car. It's just probably gonna be very dangerous at night if you camp under this car. Because, it's smoking. It's probably leaking something, but yeah, anyway, alright, let's go to the next one. Dippy dippy dappy boo. Oh no, no. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I should probably be using this. No, this. This. Oh my. This thing. Thank you. And we're going down. There it is. Now we're going down. Go down, Now we got whatever the. Now we got this. The color, not really bad. Cause in part 2 we had a color that was okay. Okay, in the shadow, it looks like poop. But I mean, this actually looks pretty fancy. I kind of like this one. Well, I mean, I don't really like any of the vans because, you know, I'm more of a, like, a truck man and a sports fan, not really normal car fan. Like sports mostly. I like sport cars. Mostly of that of a fan and like drift cars. Even derby cars. I don't know about derby cars. But yeah, I'm not really into normal cars because I'm not normal. I'm joking, I'm normal. Where are you? Alright, let's test the braking. Okay, hold on, let me test that again. Boo! Boo! That was so... No, that was so quick! Why did you do it so before? Boo! Okay, I'm sorry, I'm trying again. Okay, sorry. I don't know how to really turn this thing around. We're just gonna go this way. Okay. So now. Oh my god, how am I so bad at this? This thing does not like to, like, turn around. Like, this thing is horrible at turning. The turning stability, I'm gonna give it like a 7 out of 10. Well, I mean, it is still pretty good. What the heck? Okay, well, I guess, I mean, the car is still fine, so I don't think that's gonna really do a difference to the stopping and stuff. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna do anything. It's going to the left a lot. Stop! That was actually good. I was just about to say really bad, but no, that was actually good. I improve. But the turning, I'm giving it a 5 out of 10 now. It's just so bad. Like, why is the turning like this? But the speed, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. It's pretty weird, I don't know why. Oh yay, we lost our bumper. That's what we need to use. And this thing likes to drift, because I did not even read that. Okay, whatever it means. Okay, next vehicle, we're wasting time. Oh, jeez. Doors even come up. What the heck, BNG? You gotta step up this game, because I don't know how the heck all those... Oh, what? No. That is weird. Alright, let's go down. There we go. No, not that. This. Oh my god, why does it keep doing that? Sorry about that. That was good. Now we got this, whatever the... I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty good. I like the color. Oh my god, I think in part 4 we're gonna probably finish all these. We're probably gonna end at whatever the hell this is. Or no, actually, this. We're probably gonna end at. Or this. I don't know. Anyways, let's try this thing. I mean, I don't. I want to say that it's a piece of garbage, but it's also not. Like, it also looks pretty good, but it also looks like trash. What you been on? I'm joking. Alright! Oh, it's so much more different not seeing my speed kilometer. But it's like more like real life now though, right? Like this is real life now. Literally. Well, I mean it's still not, because I still, you know, have the speed kilometer, but if I would take that away, this would literally be... Uh-oh. What? What is wrong with this thing? Why is it going to the left, but also not going to the left? It's going to the right and the left. What the flip? Slow down. Oh my god, this thing is... So far, I'm rating it a 3 out of 10. Everything sucks so far. Let's try again. Oh my freaking god, what is wrong with this thing? Oops. That's fine. Just scraped it. That's fine. This thing does not like to turn. What the flip? What is wrong with this? Oh my god. Let's have number 3. Jesus Christ, why is this thing not work? Like, is there a suspension even on this thing? I mean, like, dang, the other cars without even any really suspension is very better than this crap. I mean, what the? Like, dang. Maybe I'm just driving wrong, but I mean, I'm pretty, I don't know. The curves are not really that serious. They're pretty serious. We're going all over town. We do brake test. That was like literally all the other car. Not all of those. Yeah, maybe not all of them. Alright, jump test. That was pretty good. Off-road test. See, it's off-roading. And also speed test and jump test. Jump test. That was good. Now it's speed test. And it's suspension test. Suspension test. That was like a champ. Now it's only just speed. No, my thumb. That was good. Next vehicle. Hold on. 1 minute. I have to do this. What the? Next vehicle. I broke it. Okay, I broke. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'll break it. It's trash. This whole entire mod is trash. I'm not saying like it's bad, but I mean the car. Like, this is just hilarious. Why did we need this? Because it looks goofy as heck. Alright, next vehicle. No. Here it is. Come on. Come on. Alright, next vehicle. I don't know. Oh, this is a sport. This is a sport test. So it should have some sport, okay? Some drift. Some drift. Let's see. So far, it actually looks... I like it. It looks good. Why do I not know how to... Why is it doing that? I wasn't even turning that way. Okay. You know? I get... Well, I mean, at least we're going the right way. Actually, no. Let's go a different way. We keep going, like, in every single part or video, like, we go of this series. Well, I mean, it's not really a series. It's episodes, okay? It's a movie. It's not. Oh, I could do. Oh, man. my god, I almost spice wiped that. Turn, car, turn. We didn't check if there's any drift. Let's see. Handbrake. Oh my god, that was actually sick. Come on, handbrake. So, wow, that was actually good. Besides the whole part that I already shared, the well, it's not my fault. I mean, I think you would probably drift into that also. Not my fault. Oh my! Dude, a freaking... You telling me these cars just hate the freaking... You're telling me... Bruh. Oh my god. You know what? Let's just go to this car. We all scratched the car that we just used. So, that counts. Is there a way that I can move the cars? Because that would be really nice right now. What else says swirl down? Get it? Squirt? No. Yeah, that was actually pretty bad. Alright. This is probably gonna be the last one. Alright. Let's do this. So this is a sports also. A sports S, I think. Yeah, it is. I think it's just literally a different color. It's way more, actually no, never mind, it's actually faster. Is it? Comment down below, I don't even know if it's comment. Oh, and we ran, okay. My driving skills are pretty bad. How about this? Let's do literally a literal simulator. Never mind, we can't do it like that. Oh no, okay. This is a literal simulator right now. See, look. I can see where the curve is, and I haven't run into it yet. I'm going actually pretty slow. Why are the brakes not working? Don't choose this car because the brakes are not working. Okay, I want to go slow. Alright, let's stop right here. Because, you know, cars will come by. Now it's a green light, and why did someone just hit me? I'm joking. Alright. Go car. Okay, this car does not have power on really at the first it does not have power. Why am I going so slow also? Oh, this thing has no power getting that speed. I mean, what the? Well, probably outside. Yeah, outside it looks like it's getting speed, but inside? No, bro. It ain't changing at all. Dang, this thing is actually pretty slow. Uh-oh, why is the game lagging now? There's no even AI, so it shouldn't be lagging. And even if there is AI, I don't think it will even lag either. Yes. How did I get in? That was insane. Expert! Snapsy webs. Alright. Let's go. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Boom, 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 bang, bang. Boom, 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 boom. That was a sick drift. First person. Oh my god, this is an actual simulator. I mean, what the? Oh, it's so freaking. We're dead. Oh no. No. Oh my god. ask you how they are. Mm-hmm. Next vehicle, because I crashed it. Get it? No, no. Okay. I should probably stop making jokes. Yeah. Good job. Yeah, now you. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Next vehicle, next vehicle, next vehicle, next vehicle, next vehicle, next vehicle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One more vehicle and then we're ending this. Because this is actually kind of annoying. Why is that not working? Okay, we're on the red one, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we are. Part 4, we're finally gonna finish. We're finally. Man, I haven't even tried any of those. So I'm actually really excited to try one. Never mind, we have actually tried one of those. But I just want to try one because I haven't. It's the last one and then we're done with this chaos. Ba-ba-doo-ba-doo-boo. And subscriber 50. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. 6,000. It is on Mr. Beast. 6,000 years. Alright, anyways. Let's go. Mr. Beast. 6,000 years old. Oh, Mr. Beast. 6,000 years old. Is fellow guy who you train. Mr. Misty Mist. Let's see if he does mention. Hold it up so great. Jump test. Handled it like a pro. Die test. Say what? Oh, my head. Oh. Do 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 do. Subscribe. Hit me with the number. Burn, 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 candle.